odd or ironic that in the city of Pines there hasn't been a Christmas tree lighting event in the president's official summer hideaway for over 100 years. And so the First Lady, realizing it is better late than never, sought to turn things around by reviving a century-long tradition in the Mansion House. Our Mary Vel Custodia sums up in this feature story.
First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos graced the Christmas tree lighting in the Baguio Mansion House. Local citizens had the opportunity to take a photo with the First Lady during the event. It is the first time Baguio Mansion House will open to the public since 1908.
Alam mo, napakagandang gesture to on the part of our President at First Lady dahil took us some time to really open this to the public. Alam mo, dami na dumaan na administrasyon at hindi to na-open sa public. At nakakatuwa nga ngayon dahil kita mo, nung inopen nila to early this year, talagang excited. A lot of people are excited. Not only the people of Baguio, but our visitors as well.
The 9-meter-tall Christmas tree is designed with 38 stunning native Christmas tree lanterns or paroles. In partnership with the Department of Education, a nationwide parole-making competition was launched and 158 entries from high school students have been submitted. The rest of the entries are on exhibit in the Malacañang Palace. Winners of the parole-making competition will be announced on Sunday. Deputy Secretary Sani Angara, former DILG Secretary Ben-Hur Abalos, and other local officials were also present in the Christmas tree lighting. University of Baguio Voices Choral and Philippine Military Academy marching band performances hyped the crowd.
First time ko po dito sa mansion and ngayon po sa Christmas po is super amazing po kasi nailawan po yung the mansion and with the Christmas tree po.
Yung family ko, husband and my 2 children, masaya kami at nabuksan na sa public ang mansion. Actually, yung daughter ko, isa sa mga nag-ano rin dito.
It's open to the public? Yeah, open to the public. The doors will be extended to be open until 8 o'clock every day from now on till New Year's Day. So, nais namin kayong imbitahan na mamasyal here in the Baguio Mansion House. Come celebrate Christmas with us and let's all have fun para sa bagong Pilipinas. So, bagong Pasko. Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat.
Maligayang Pasko.
A dazzling fireworks display concluded the event. The Baguio Mansion is open to the public from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Vel Custodio from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.